Bonjour! I hope that you have started learning the culture and civilization because that's one of the most scoring section. So today I'm back again with Leçon 4. I'm going to complete all the lessons one by one. So Leçon 4, le plaisir de lire, the joy of reading. So I hope till now you have purchased your Together with French. It is a very important book for referring to your culture and civilization. So I'm going to start with first question. Aimez-vous lire? Dites votre préférence. Do you like to read? Tell your preferences. So they've written here, oui, j'aime lire. Yes, I like to read. J'aime les romans policiers. I like to read detective novels. So you can even take a novel of your choice. Next question. Qui a écrit Le Petit Prince? So you can make the notes side by side. You can take a notebook, make the notes. Like this, you can write, it's all about authors and their books. Le Petit Prince. So, qui a écrit? It's one of the book. Who has written it? Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Antoine, just 1 minute. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. So, he's the person who has written this book. Next question. Quelles sont les formalités pour avoir une carte de lecteur? Which are the formalities for having une carte de lecteur? That's a word I've written there. Carte de lecteur is a library card. So what are the formalities? The first thing that you need to have is il faut avoir une pièce d'identité. Pièce d'identité, identity card. Une autorisation des parents, parents' permission. Une quittance d'électricité ou de loyer. You need to have the electricity bill or the rent receipt. So I hope that's clear. Qui a écrit, next question, qui a écrit le Panchtantra? Vishnu Sharma a réuni le Panchtantra au 5e siècle. So Vishnu Sharma is the person, he has reunited the Panchtantra in which century? 5e siècle. 5e siècle, 5th century. Très bien. Next question, qui est Perrault? Again, we have the next name, Perrault. So different names you will come across. Perrault. C'est un écrivain français, it's a French writer du 17e siècle of 17th century. Et il a écrit Le Petit Chaperon Rouge. So you can make the notes like this. It will be easier for you to learn. Le Petit Chaperon Rouge. Qu'est-ce qu'une fable? So next important word, qu'est-ce qu'une fable? C'est un récit allégorique. It's a rhythmic story. Okay, récit story. It's a rhythmic story. D'où? From where? L'on tire une moralité. We can take out a moral. Okay, so what is fable? Fable is moral story. Okay, so it's a allegoric rhythmic story from where we can take out the moral. Example, Fable de la Fontaine. Fontaine is the person who writes moral stories. Okay, next, qu'est-ce qu'un conte? That's the next word that I've written for you. It's also an exception. Un conte. It's not une conte, un conte. C'est un récit assez court. It's a story in a short d'aventure imaginaire, of imaginary adventures. Okay, let's move to next question. Qu'est-ce qu'une bande dessinée? Next word. So fable was moral story. Conte was basically fiction stories. Okay, in which adventures are there. We move on to the next category, which is bande dessinée. Bande dessinée est une succession des images. It's a succession of pictures, one after the other, organized pour raconter une histoire, for telling a story avec le texte, with the text under the picture. So pictures are given and text is below the picture. So what kind of story it is? Which kind of books it is? Can you guess? Comic books. Très bien. In comic books we have pictures and below the story is written, one after the other. Okay, next, qui a écrit le tour du monde en 80 jours? The world tour in 80 days. Who has written that? Jules Verne. So that's the next name that you need to remember. Jules Verne. So he has written Le Tour du Monde. Le Tour du Monde en 80 jours. So he has written this book. Next one, qu'est-ce que le Panchtantra? So earlier we have done this question, who has written Panchtantra? Now it's what is Panchtantra? C'est une collection de contes et de fables sanskrit. So it's a collection of fables, moral stories, and fiction stories written in Sanskrit in 5 different books. Aqua serum carte the lector. So earlier we have done what are the formalities required for having carte lecture, and now it is what is carte the lecture, okay? So there is an expression here, aqua ser. This word means, okay? It means. So what does carte the lecture means? Ave kyun carte the lecture with the library card. Oba importe sheswa. We can borrow, okay? We can take at our place some books. These, some CDs, cassettes, e de diapositive della biblioteca, and some slides from the library. So next person we have is Chi ha écrit la poème La Renard et le Raisin. Okay, the Fox and the Grapes. Who has written that? La Fontaine. So Fontaine is the name of the person who writes moral stories, and name of one of the moral story is Le Renard et le Raisin. Le Renard is the fox, et les raisins, grapes. Fox and the grapes. Next one, qui a créé le Festival d'Avignon? Who has created the Festival d'Avignon? Jean Villard. That's the name of the person who has created the Festival of Avignon. Then we have 3 practice questions also, and it's important to do those practice questions also. Nommez la plus ancienne université de Paris. Name the most ancient university of Paris. La Sorbonne. What's the name of the university? La Sorbonne. La Sorbonne est la plus ancienne université de Paris. Next one. Où est la Mont Blanc? Where's Mont Blanc? La Mont Blanc est dans les Alpes. It's in the Alpes. Last question. Où se trouve Bonifacio? So Bonifacio se trouve au sud de la Corse. Bonifacio we find in the south of Corse, and Corse is a island. So I hope it's all clear. You can watch this video one more time, take down the important notes, and I'm going to see you in the next video for